back there on the sawmill a little bit this morning. I've still got probably 12 logs to cut up of poplar. And then I've got another order came in I've got to cut up. So I'm going to work on it a little bit. My foot's feeling a whole lot better today. So hopefully I won't drop nothing on it today. So we're going to try to get this one into a can. Get my starting point. What I was doing on these big logs, I want to make sure my end clears, because if you get down there, it'll start hitting, and then all you got to take a chainsaw and cut it. So you just got to nibble them down a little bit at a time. I don't have a hydraulic mill, I turn them with my tractor. I've got a bad bow in that log too. So this ain't much you can do about it except cut it out. And it's always, I watched one of them, they said it's always better Think of it as a bullhorn where it comes up. It's always better to knock the horns off first. You can get down to where you need to be, and then the other side is just what it is. Turn my water off. This piece here's got a bunch of wane on it. The blade is dull, but it is sharp cutting, really. I don't know what the deal is. But I'll use this wane, or I'll send it to them. That way they can get some boards out of that end or this end, whichever end that they may need a board of that size. That way they've got it there. I could cut it down, but it'd be a little bitty board. I'd have to break it down. This way they can cut whatever they want out of that. But we're gonna switch blades. Trying to see the best I can get out of it. See how this end here where it bows up, setting flat on it there, and then this end just curves up. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to flip it and square it up a little bit, and then I'll just get some boards out of that. They may have a piece of wane on the end, but if I cut it, you're almost better on a log like this, come back here where it's the same before it bows up. That way you can get a whole lot more wood out of that section than that section. So that's where I'm just going to start working it from like right back here forward. All right, I'm going to change my blade out. I hadn't showed that in a while. We may do that. Hang on. That ain't gonna work like that. I'm gonna get reset up. All right, we're back readjusted. Did you come down here to help?
Nope.
No. Just need a new blade.
New blade. What you do? Get your Sawmill?
No, that's been on there for a while.
That's a big old log.
That's a big old log. And it's got a real bad curve up here on this end.
Well, as you cut down.
Well, I'm going to leave it right like that. I'm kind of going to work from that end down. Like from right there where it's big and then it starts curving up here. So I'm going to kind of keep it on that plane right there.
What kind of wood is this?
Poplar.
Seen poplar in a while.
I haven't seen poplar. That's all we've been cutting.
No, you've been doing cedar
No,
and pine.
that 2,000 board foot was all poplar.
Was it?
Yeah. It had one oak mixed in it. Mainly doing poplar.
You got blades down? Yeah, you got blades down here.
Yep.
They come off fairly easy.
Yep.
Can that be resharpened?
Yeah, these is them ones that I've resharpened several times.
So you just don't get as much out of them after you
Well.
sharpen them.
I need to go ahead and get that 2 set.
Yeah.
Because these have been resharpened like 4 times. I ain't set the teeth on them yet.
All that, we need to go ahead and order the chainsaw sharpener. It's getting to that season.
The what?
Chainsaw sharpener.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna be right in your way here.
So you just pulled it up over that pulley? Or over that belt?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right in their way.
No, I know. I had a camera person.
You don't have a camera person. Oh, so you just moved that wheel.
Mm-hmm. That's your blade adjust tensioner.
I got more company coming in.
Yep. I think they're trying to do the cannonball run and see how quick they can make it from
California to here.
we told them stop by the Grand Canyon and whether
Big Texan and
while they're there.
Petrified Forest, and
I mean, if you're that far out there, you might as well
enjoy the scenery.
stop and do something. But no, they're just. I don't even think they're getting motel rooms. I think they're just stopping, and when they get tired, they rest a little while.
Rest. They're sleeping in rest areas.
Taking off again. They left Wednesday. Yep, they'll be pulling in sometime today. Yesterday they was in Oklahoma.
Well, they had to go up to Las Vegas, I think.
Yeah. I'm driving that far. I'm gonna stop and do something.
Because you never know if you're going to be that way again.
Nope.
Do you need to oil that?
I'll put that transmission fluid on.
Is it tracking good?
Yep.
Can you put the belt on? It only goes one way. Teeth out.
What? The blade?
Yeah.
Yeah, it only goes. You can reverse it, but yeah, it only goes one way.
That's what I meant. It could be reversed.
Yeah, you can reverse it. Them ones I got in the shop for that one guy, it's about all reversed. I had to reverse them because your sharpener won't work if they're going the wrong way.
Why would you reverse it cutting on a mill?
It's just how they folded them up. If you fold them up wrong, they'll flop out the wrong way. I don't know why they do it.
But you should have it going the right way on the mill.
Yeah.
And it even has that little diagram showing.
Yeah. But that didn't take long at all. I'm sure there's some mills out there that goes backwards. I mean, it pulls through
The other way.
the opposite way, but none of mine does.
Now, do you need my help back here, or are you going to be cutting?
No, I'm gonna finish cutting this up in the boards. I gotta get this out. I gotta flip it over. I gotta do that with the with the tractor. It's way too heavy.
Right.
Don't think this heavy lumber. There's so much messing with it.
Well, you got a tractor.
Yep. All right, we're just talking out of camera side here. I'm gonna move you back over here to the side. Just pretend you're here with me and you're walking around.
Yeah.
All right, I forgot to turn you back on a minute ago. about to run out of gas. So I'm gonna get these 3 boards stacked and then go up there and eat me some breakfast. And I can come down here and finish it up. I am looking forward to just getting some 8-foot stuff. The 16-foot stuff is wearing me out. I can come back down here and flip this. We'll have it set. Lower my tractor down so it's not sitting there on the hydraulics. We'll be back here in a little bit.
It's on.
All right, we just got through doing some pig wrangling. And I'm old now, them little boogers are heavy.
Heavy and fast.
We carried one all the way over here. Then we got the cage and just drove them over here. But they ought to be happy out here.
Oh yeah. I mean, if you look at how little they are and how big this arena is, this is nothing.
They're already electric fence trained, and it is hot all the way around. So, 'cause I'd hate for them buggers to get out.
Neighborhood would have some pigs.
About the only way to catch them would be to shoot them. After they get so old, if they get out, they get used to that bucket.
Right.
And they hear that bucket and they come running.
Now, one of our viewers said we needed to name them Curly, Mo, and Larry.
Yep.
So I think that's what it'll be. Curly, Mo, and Larry.
Yep.
They're going to have to find a nice place to start digging.
I'm just checking out their surroundings right now.
Well, I've got some leftover salad stuff in there I'm going to throw out this afternoon. Some cucumbers and celery, and they'll be happy with that too.
The two just, they're stuck together. Where are we going with?
Say, don't leave me, don't leave me.
I'd like to hear them hit that fence now.
Oh, we will. Well, and I could definitely see it. I know where they were. They had like the regular wire.
Yeah.
And ours is made for, well, it's all purpose, but more so for horses. So,
They'll get a jolt out of it.
oh yeah.
Our dog just jumped in here with them and she didn't get bit.
She jumped over it.
Yeah. Oh, did she? I thought she hit it when she came in.
No. I was afraid she would, because then she'd tear the fence out. What you eating, piggies?
You ain't gonna get a hold of them. They're eating grass right now.
Yeah, they are eating grass. Hi, piggy piggies. What you doing, piggy piggies? I won't. What you doing, piggy piggies? Now, we've never raised these over the winter. It's always been spring through fall. But the gentleman that we bought them from, he said it's pretty much year round. You know, they don't really have a preference, and there's so much body fat to them that they stay warm. It's getting back up nice. Well, you're sweating because you've been chasing 3 little pigs.
Yeah. You go over and get the cucumbers and stuff.
Yeah, I'll go get that.
There's a whole lot more room in here to play around in that stall.
Oh, yeah. Let's go get some feed for him. All right. I threw out some cucumbers, celery that was freezer bit, pasta, salad, and cornbread. He says, I'll take this. This is mine.
I don't want to do this salad, but I'm going to carry it around.
He says, it tastes pretty good. He says, I might like this place. Ooh, pasta salad. It may be cold too, because that was in that bottom drawer.
That likes it.
Yeah,
About pigs, you can get rid of all your scraps.
yeah, but I don't like giving them meat.
No, you don't need to give them meat.
I think there may be a little bit of meat in that pasta salad, but not a lot.
Yeah, they're young enough now, though.
They can digest it good.
It won't be in them by the time we get them.
No.
One's still trying to figure out that salad too. That one done figured out that pasta. Oh,
Okay.
oh,
I'll take a cucumber.
You should get that up.
I've tried. I couldn't. I didn't have a knife on me. And where it's soft, wouldn't break. Get in there and get it. Get in there and get it. I like the cornbread. He's going to get your food. That other one's over there. Where are you going?
So you just chased me around the stall.
Get over there and eat, sillies. Our horses keep looking at him like, what are those? One's kicking the other one. That one is, what, 3 inches taller?
Yeah.
It's going to be a big one.
Probably the runt.
He's going to be a big boy. They're getting up underneath them, throwing each other off. They like pasta salad.
You're going to get it, well, about any animal, if you're going to get, like it's hard to raise one pig off because they need competition.
Yeah.
Need to at least get 2, that way they need competition for the food.
Now, the gentleman that we bought these from, he raises them. So if he wants in East Tennessee and is looking for Berkshire old spots, actually, I was at the feed store today, and Andy was saying that that's not a common. That's an old type. Not a lot of them grow, Berkshire old spots. So if anyone is looking for Berkshire old spots, we can get you in touch with them.
They got nice long backs. That's what I look for in a pig, is a long back. That way, that's where your tenderloin is, your pork chops and everything.
I look for in a pig sausage, pork
Yeah.
chop,
You
ham.
got that long back.
Ham.
Well, you get a long tenderloin, you get a lot of pork chops out of it, ribs.
And we'll get these up to about 300, and then we'll introduce them to freezer camp.
Yeah.
But they'll be happy. Happy as pig in mud.
Yep.
Oh, now don't be a bully. Don't be a bully. Oh, don't be a bully.
They like pasta.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, I do too.
Well, I don't see you rooting around.
Ain't real keen on cucumbers. It may be an acquired taste to them.
That may be. They like, if they can figure out the celery, I broke them in half, celery sticks in half. They were, that bottom drawer in the refrigerator is freezing stuff, so.
They're not real big right now, neither.
No. Well,
One actually, when I was picking him up the other day, he latched onto my arm, but
didn't hurt you.
evidently there's no teeth in there, or not big enough teeth.
Now those, will they get them tusk?
No, not since they've been cut.
Oh,
It takes them years to grow them tusks. You gotta have an old boar before you'll
get tusk.
These ain't gonna be that old.
And I know some people put rings in their nose. We don't do none of that.
No, that's what they like the French for. If they want to tear this up, they can tear it all to pieces.
Actually, we've had them do that before, and then the grass turns out wonderful, great for
Well, we
gardens.
had a round pen here. I let them in here and I let them tear it all to pieces and poop in it and get all the good growing stuff in it. And then I put them out in the fenced in area out in the field. And we planted corn in there. And remember, the corn got up to about that high.
Yeah.
And then about a month before we took them slaughtered, I opened up the gate and let them in there. And I mean, they had that corn down to nothing in a matter of no time. But you couldn't even see the pigs. It was just so thick of corn. They'd go in there and root around.
Well, and it's good to do that. Plus, throwing fresh fruit to them because it sweetens the meat.
Yeah.
The corn, milk, and fruit.
Yeah. But they had that whole corn patch down
to nothing. Yeah.
Well, by the next day, you could actually see them in there.
Yeah.
I mean, they had it.
Well, you'll be seeing these piggies along on our channel. So.
The life and time of swine.
The life and time of swine. You idiot. Yeah. I just like seeing animals more on the farm.
Yeah. We'll get us some cows. I wouldn't mind finding little miniature horses or miniature donkeys. Oh. Find some. It's not stupidly out for high price.
I really want a miniature horse.
They got no other purpose than just being a pet.
Right. I really like to have a miniature horse in here. And they can live with the piggies.
Everybody says you're not supposed to mix them, but they don't. Everything's got a pecking order, and one of them's going to be on top.
Right.
They figure it out. It's like the orange family. They got everything in there. Pigs, goats.
Emus. Llamas. Donkeys.
They figure it out.
Oh, yeah.
He's going to lay down now.
He says, oh, my belly's full. My belly's full. I'm eating a little bit of cornbread and my belly's full and I'm soaking up the sun.
Yeah, we'll have them taken down where you can come in here and actually
Hand
pet
feed
'em.
them. Yeah. Yeah, it just takes time. And I mean, and they've only been on our farm 2 days, so, and actually, 3. Okay, yeah, 3 days. And, you know, up until now, they've just been in that stall. So they've not even seen the outside. So this is still so new to them. They just got to get used to everything.
They'll figure it
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll see you later.
out.
Huh?
Got rid of all that.
Yeah, we'll see you later, piggies.